Welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I would like to show painting number 2. For the 5, I'm going to put a poll up to be voted so I can complete the painting in June. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoy the show. And so this painting is a little small, so thank goodness it fits on my desk. And this time it's a square diamond shaped painting, so I kind of didn't notice it when I grabbed it. I just knew it was a smaller one, and I kind of want to try a square with a small one because I've only done one from diamondartclub that's kind of a square, so I'm really excited to do this one. And this painting, as you can see, is called Paint the Moon, and it's a little boy on a ladder. Well, I'm assuming because to me it looks like a little boy painting on the moon, and it's dripping kind of like paint, and I love the sky and everything with it, so that's why I was excited to pick this painting. And if you're not familiar with diamondart, usually no matter what size, the boxes always look like this. They always have decals on the side letting you know the diamond shape, information in the back letting you know in case you're new to the craft, and instructions on what the kits have in English, Spanish, and French, and just some warnings since they're small diamonds and small items, just in case, you know, you have little ones around, in case you're worried. And on the side there is a QR code for a 10% discount for your next purchase, which really helps out a lot. So without further ado, let me take everything out and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I took everything out of the box, and this usually has a little plastic cover on it. I just took it out just so you don't have to hear the crinkly noise. It protects the painting really well, or the canvas really well. And I just took it out so you don't hear me struggling and all the crinkly noise of the plastic. So let me put the painting aside real quick. And when you take everything out of the box, it comes with, I'm going to put the diamonds aside as well. And it always comes with the toolkit, a pamphlet, thank you for your purchase, and it also comes with this little sticker. And what it is, it's pretty much the decal. It's really good for a logbook if you're keeping logs of paintings you're completed or you just enjoy the art. And it is a sticker. You just pick it up and it's stuck with an adhesive. And I have a logbook that I've been using, so any new painting I'm using, I'm making sure I'm putting them there. I love that they always include this. And it also comes with a thank you pamphlet thanking you for the purchase, also instructions and tips for diamond painting in case you're new to the craft. It also has a coupon code in case you want to purchase another one. It also has information about the kit as well, as I said, in English, Spanish, and French. And inside also written instructions for doing diamond painting. If you're more of a visual learner, there's a QR code for video instructions as well, and information and a QR code for the VIP Facebook group. This group always gets information of upcoming items, or just an all-around group for the craft. For information, we can all speak to each other. And at the back, it's a QR code for the diamondart app. And the app does pretty much everything the website does. If you need to purchase anything you're interested, or if you want to see any upcoming painting that's coming through, or if you just want to see your order, the app has everything, the same thing that the website has, and it's available for Apple and Android. And if you first time you purchase through the app, it's a 20% off coupon on it, and it's really helpful because I've already used it, so it's really neat. And again, I always have to say it, I just really love the app. I'm a big fan of it, and I am not sponsored by Diamond Art. I just really love it. And the toolkit. So let me put this aside real quick. Now the toolkit also is in a sturdy little plastic bag. It always comes in these bags, and I really like them. And it comes with the difference between the squares and the rounds is squares come with tweezers. So they're really pointy, really sharp tweezers. Just be careful in case you ever need to cap them up or take off the cap. They're really good at moving a lot of the square diamonds as well. Just making sure I got everything out, because everything likes hiding in the corners for me. And yeah, that's everything. So put the bag aside. And it comes with a pack of Ziploc bags in case you're used to kitting up in these. These are really sturdy bags. I'm a big fan of them. Or just good at putting aside any kind of extra drills you might have. Also comes with the standard pen with the squishy pencil holder. And you just slide it in. I'm really usually bad. Oh, got it this time. And I love that it's a blue color, which is perfect because it matches the painting really well. Same thing, you would just use this in case if you're used to standard pens, or if you're starting up a diamond painting. These are really good as a startup, and I still have these. I use them every now and then. They're really sturdy. And the washi tape that comes with it. Oh my goodness, I really love it. It's like flowers and leaves, but they're blue. And that's really pretty. Let me see if I can get, sorry, let me get a little closer to the camera. Oh, that's so pretty. And this is really good for lining the painting, so in case you're leaning on it, so if there's any kind of glue on the side, it's not sticking to you, you're not picking up the painting, keeping from any lint as well. Or you can use it to section off areas if you decide to cut off the plastic. It's really good for using the washi tape for that. And as well, the standard wax as well, it usually comes, it always comes with 2 little pads. They're heart-shaped in diamonddartclub, and all you would do is pick up the plastic. There you go. And you would just press the pen and you're good to go. And you can start diamond painting after that. I put it aside real quick. And a cover minder. If you're not familiar with cover minders, they're magnets. They're good if you do not feel comfortable cutting the plastic. You can always lift it and place the magnet there to hold the plastic up. And you can work on let it go, remove it, and let the plastic go back. And I don't usually use them anymore, but I do love collecting them, and it's a really pretty rose. I've seen this in blue, so I'm really excited when I can get a blue one. As I said, it's a sturdy magnet. Sorry, it kind of fell off on me. And there you go. Yeah, I think I might have been too aggressive, but I can fix that. I have some crazy glue I can put it on. I'll put it aside for now. And multi-placers. It's a 4 and a 7, and Diamond Art Clubs always come with these sizes. I really love these multi-placers because they're really sturdy, and if you're not a fan of using the wax and you have your own kind of putty, any kind of other adhesive you like using for grabbing the diamonds, these are really, really, really high quality, and they work really well with it. So I'm a big fan of that. And finally, the tray, which comes with the stopper. And the stopper is really well when you put diamonds. It keeps it from spilling or anything while you're working. And if you're done, you would just remove it, put the diamonds back, and you're good to go. I really love this tray. So let me put everything back in the bag real quick. And my apologies, my phone is giving me a warning about the batteries. So give me one moment. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, I have no idea what my battery was warning about. I checked and everything was fine. I recorded with my phone, so apologies for that. I put everything aside, so that's why you see everything different. So this is the painting, and usually what's rolled up in the painting are the diamonds, which when I pulled out the painting out of the plastic, the diamonds came out, as well as this beautiful image as well. This usually is rolled up with the diamonds, and it has all the stickers for when you kit up to put aside. As you can see, they're labels, so they have adhesive. Let me put that back. There we go. And this one has 28 colors. So, and I believe it has 4 ABs. And I really, really am a fan of this because, first of all, I love how it shows the painting larger, as you can see. And I don't have a label maker, so I love that Diamond Art comes with these and helps out a lot when I'm kitting up. So some information about the painting. As I said, it is called Paint the Moon by Kusin Kasil. My apologies if I mispronounced that. And it is a square diamond shape, and it is 13 by 18 inches or 33 centimeters by 46 centimeters. And at the bottom, it gives you the SQU code, which will allow you to locate it specifically, for it is the item number for the painting. And this little form, I'm a fan of it because it also has the start and end date. So if you keep a logbook and you prefer the larger images, I love that this really helps you out a lot. And let me just get a little closer so you can see the painting a lot more clear. I really loved when I first picked this painting. So I'm going to put it aside real quick. And these are the diamonds. So before I go through these, let me unfurl the painting a bit so you can see it a little bit more clearly. I think that's upside down. I believe I can catch it all on my desk, hopefully. And usually, and my apologies, the canvases are really, really soft. That's why I'm a big fan of diamond art. The only issue I have sometimes is it picks up lint. So if you see me keep doing that, it's because there's a little lint on it. It's real soft, really easy to work with, and it keeps the painting from being real stiff. So when you're working on it, unfurling it, moving it around, it keeps it from creasing so much. So it helps it stay nice and smooth, and I'm a big fan of these canvases. And the ends are scalloped, which is a really nice decorative touch because I do hang my paintings. Usually the bigger ones, I don't frame them. But I love that it has this little part here, so if you're hanging it, it looks real nice because you see the little decorative part of it. So on top it says that it has the catchphrase for the company, do what makes you sparkle, also the name of the company. And I really love that that's on top. And as you can see, it's a little bit darker on top. I'm going to try to unfurl it really slowly. Move it up a bit so I can get it all on camera better for you. Oh my goodness, I really love the moon. And yeah, on the paintings on the side, there are legends on the top and on the bottom. And this is really, really convenient. For myself, I kind of move the painting around when I'm working on it in sections. So if this legend is too far, the one at the bottom, let me see if I can catch it on camera, apologies for that. The one at the bottom here helps me out a lot as well. So when I'm trying to locate it, it makes it a lot easier, especially when you're moving the painting around. And at the bottom of the painting, it also has information of, sorry, I need to furl a little bit. Sorry about that. And there we go. So at the bottom, it has the name of the painting as well as a little image just in case you need to reference it while you're working on it. If you're making sure, ooh, let me double check the colors, anything like that. This is really perfectly placed so you can reference it while you're painting. As I said, it has the name of the painting, Paint the Moon, has the size and the name of the artist. And at the bottom is also another coupon code so you can use for your next purchase as well, and some information of their social media in case you want to, you know, show your new painting once it's completed, or if you just want to see what's going on in the Diamond Art Club site. And at the bottom, it's the warranty, just in case there's any issues with the diamonds, or if unfortunately you have a mishap that spilled diamonds. We've all been there. They do have kind of like a warranty on that, so they'll assist you on replacing diamonds, especially if you have issues with them. This is their support email and all of that, just to help you out, letting you know, hey, you're covered and don't worry. So let me roll this back. And let's go through the diamonds. Well, let me see if I can leave this here, just so you can see the painting a little more clearly while I'm doing the diamonds. So the diamonds always come in this plastic bag. And what I've liked is I've pretty much every painting I've opened, they always put the name of the painting on the packet of diamonds, which I'm a big fan of because sometimes I want to take the painting out, leave it hanging just to straighten out. Usually there aren't creases, but myself, I want a little bit more straight. And I always put the diamonds somewhere else. So I love that they include that in case you decide to store your diamonds instead of keeping them in the box. So, apologies for the crinkly noise. I'm pulling everything out. I see that big old packet of 3 there you go. Let me move it aside. And, oh my goodness. I thought there were going to be more, but they're 28. So, oh my goodness. I love all the colors, as you can see. I love that teal color that's hidden right there. It's so pretty. I'm a big fan of that. So let me go through the colors with you. So let me double check to see how many strips are in them. I think there's 3. There's 1 here, and oh no, it's just 2. So let me go through this strip. Sorry about that. And oh, here we go. So the first color is 3607. It's a really nice pink. 141 is our first AB, and it's a really pretty white. As you can see it, I love the white ABs. Oh, they're so pretty. And then 796, a really nice dark blue. 3837, a really nice violet. 797, another dark blue. 3746, a nice dark periwinkle color. Honestly, I just love saying the word periwinkle. 939, a really dark kind of gray color. 820, a nice dark blue. And there's 2 packets of that. Oh, goodness. Makes sense. There's a lot of blue in this painting. And I really like the color. And for the next strip, here we go. 340, a nice lilac color. 814, a nice maroon color. 722, pumpkin color. 3855, a nice banana cream color. 498, a nice dark red. 600, a nice magenta color. 3609, a nice pastel pink. 601, another dark pink. 3608, medium pink. 129, our second AB. Oh my goodness, that yellow is so pretty. It's a really nice cream yellow, and you can see the AB shine on it. I love that. 120, our next AB. Oh, I love it. It's a really nice light blue AB, as you can tell. Oh, I love the shine on it. 208, a dark violet. 602, a dark magenta color. 111, or triple one. Our fourth AB, sorry, because I believe I caught the other one over there. And this one's a nice magenta AB. Oh, I'm a big fan of that. That is so pretty. 745, a nice cream color. 3843, a nice ocean blue. 333, a nice violet color. 996, another light blue. 310, our wonderful black color. Thank goodness, just one packet. 995, a really beautiful ocean blue, as you can see it. Oh, I love this color. So that's pretty much all the colors. Oh, they're all so pretty, and I really love the ABs. I do believe there are 4. I just want to confirm. Yeah, there are 4. So I don't know, for some reason I thought there were 5. I have no idea why. So for the ABs, so for number 1, which is that nice maroon color, it's down here in this lower part of clouds here. Oh my goodness, that is going to be so pretty. And 120, which is number 2, is this lighter blue down here. Oh, my apologies. I thought it was on camera. My camera is kind of a different angle now, so that's why sometimes I misstep, so apologies for that. Number 1 is this nice dark maroon color, which is highlighting the clouds. Number 2 is this light blue here. Oh, that's going to be so pretty. Number 3 was that nice cream yellow color. I believe it might be on the moon. Let me double check, because I see 4. Oh, here we go. Number 3 is actually in the stars. It's actually the ropes that's here on top. Oh, that's going to be so pretty against the black. That's going to be such a pretty contrast. And number 4 is the white AB. And yeah, I was correct. Majority of it is on the edging of the moon. Here, on the side here, pretty much all the way to the bottom. And where it drips as paint as well. There's going to be a lot of white AB everywhere. I'm a big fan of that. It's going to highlight it. Just to give more of a precise presentation of the painting, I'm going to do a flyby video in a couple moments, and with nice relaxing music, so you can see the painting a lot more clearly and not all furled up. So just give me a moment. Okay, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed that little video and the nice relaxing music just to go with the painting. And again, yeah, that's pretty much all I have. As I've said before, this is painting number 2 that I wanted to show to kind of present, to put up the poll. As I said, I'm going to put it at the end of May, so you can select 2 paintings that I can complete in June, just to kind of give me, I kind of wanted to try something different, so I'm a big fan of that, and I want to see what kind of paintings y'all are going to select so I can move forward and complete them. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.